Tandon, reading today's news related to UPSC exams. Before going into the news, I request you all to subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video.
Governance. States on support to startup ecosystems 2019 report. Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade released the second edition of States on support to startup ecosystems 2019 report. The rankings are based on providing a strong ecosystem for promoting startups. Gujarat emerged as the best performer among Category X. States and other union territories. Gujarat topped the rankings in the 2018 edition of the ranking also. Andaman and Nicobar Islands emerged as best performer among Category Y. The State Startup Ranking Framework 2019 has 7 broad reform areas consisting of 30 action plans. Odisha signed MOU with NCDZ to promote farmer producer organizations. Government of Odisha signed a memorandum of understanding with National Cooperative Development Corporation to promote and manage the farmer producer organizations with the Central Sector Scheme. Under the Central Scheme, National Center for Cold Chain Development will form farmer producer organizations and provide training and guidance to the small and marginal farmers of Odisha to tackle the hurdles in production, quality, etc. Cable TV Networks Act 1995. The government has allowed Sudarshan News, a Hindi channel, to a controversial program that seeks to expose a conspiracy to infiltrate Muslims into the Indian civil service. Information and Broadcasting Ministry has said it cannot be pre-censor a program or stop it from being telecast. It is because Indian broadcast rules do not permit pre-censorship of TV programs and advertisements, that is banning them before they are aired. And only films and film trailers are pre-certified by the Central Board of Film Certification. Section 20 of the Cable TV Networks Act 1995 states that the government can regulate or prohibit the transmission or retransmission of any program that it feels is not in conformity with the Program and Advertising Code, which oversees television content in India. The Electronic Media Monitoring Center under the I&B Ministry monitors the content telecast on private TV channels to check if they adhere to the Program and Advertising Code. It is also the responsibility of the channel to ensure its programs are not violative of the Program Code laid down in Rule 6 of the Cable TV Network. Garima. Chief Minister of Odisha Naveen Patnaik launched the first of its kind statewide scheme called Garima to ensure the safety and dignity of core sanitation workers of the state. He dedicated the scheme to Mahatma Gandhi. It will be implemented by Housing and Urban Development Department through 114 urban local bodies of Odisha, and an initial fund of Rs 50 crore will be allocated for implementation of the scheme. The Ministry of Housing and Urban Development Department, Odisha has signed a memorandum of understanding with not-for-profit organization, Urban Management Center, for providing the technical support to implement the scheme. International Relations. UN General Assembly High-Level Forum on the Culture of Peace. 74th Session of the United Nations General Assembly High-Level Forum on the Culture of Peace is held recently. The culture of peace. Change our world for the better in the age of COVID-19 is the theme for this forum. An event titled Education, COVID-19 and the Culture of Peace was also organized by the renowned US think tank, the International Peace Institute. US Foreign Agents Act. The BJP has become the first mainstream political party from India to have named itself as a foreign principal of an organization in the United States after the Overseas Friends of the BJP, registered under the 1938 Foreign Agents Registration Act under the US Department of Justice. Following the registration, the OFBJP will have to declare any meetings with US legislators, organization of events, and funding from US groups. It will also not be possible for OFBJP members to use organizational help during the US elections, as it would then be seen as a foreign interference. The central purpose of FARA is to promote transparency with respect to foreign influence within the United States by ensuring that the US government and the public know the source of certain information from foreign agents intended to influence American public opinion, policy and laws, thereby facilitating informed evaluation of that information. India-US 2+2 Intersessional Meeting. India-United States 2+2 Intersessional Meeting was held virtually to discuss bilateral, regional and multilateral issues including combating COVID-19, counter-terrorism, India's membership on the United Nations Security Council, efforts to counteract recent destabilizing actions in South Asia and the broader Indo-Pacific region. This intersessional meeting was set up pursuant to the India-US 2+2 ministerial dialogue, which is expected to take place this year. Security. Empowered group of ministers. For Ordnance Factory Board, Government of India constituted an empowered group of ministers under the chairmanship of Union Minister for Defence, Rajnath Singh, to oversee the corporatization of Ordnance Factory Board. The ministers in EGOM includes Home Minister, Finance Minister, Minister for Law and Justice, Minister of State for Labour and Employment, and Minister of State for Personal, Public Grievance and Petition. Art and Culture. Punapara Vayala Revolt. A report to the Indian Council for Historical Research has suggested dropping the communist martyrs of Punapara Vayalar, Karivellur and Kavumbaya agitations from the list of martyrs of Indian independence struggle. ICHR says these communist agitations cannot be counted as the part of the independence movement, as they took place after the interim government led by Jawaharlal Nehru assumed office. These riots were basically against the interim government. The revolt was an organized working class uprising in the princely state of Travancore, British India, against the Prime Minister C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer and the state. It was an unique agitation where the working class rose against government. It saw the people of all classes up in arms against a common tyrant. Hence, it dissolved class and region, destination, and included unity among people. It resulted in establishing democracy in the region and also have gave a decisive turn to the politics of the state. Parliament of World's Religions. 127th anniversary of Swami Vivekananda in Chicago. The Parliament of World's Religions held for the first time in 1893 from September 11 to September 27. Saw eminent personalities from around the world at the same forum. Swami Vivekananda addressed the audience first on September 11, followed by the closing speech on September 27. He stressed upon world harmony and how religions, while coexisting with one another, must preserve his individuality and grow according to his law of growth. The Council for a Parliament of the World's Religions is headquartered in Chicago. Its board of trustees are elected from various faith communities. Supernova LSQ-14 FMG, a 37-member international research team from Florida State University, discovered that an unusual supernova called Supernova LSQ-14 FMG was exploding. It was located 100 million light away from Earth. It is known as type La Supernova, and more particularly, a member of the Super Chandrasekhar group. The data was collected with the SWOPE and DuPont telescopes at Carnegie's Las Campanas Observatory in Chile and the Nordic Optical Telescope at the Observatorio del Roque de los Muchachos in Spain.
Thank you for watching my video. Today's PPT is given in the description box. Hope you all enjoyed our channel. Once again I repeat, please subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video. See you tomorrow.